Coach, let's start from the positive. 5 points, it's crucial in this moment of the season for the path to playoffs.
Yeah, that's certainly a positive today. We target was to get 5 points today. We're one step closer to securing a playoff. So yeah, we're pleased with certainly how we finished the game and to get the 4 tries and get the bonus point. So pleased with that.
On the other hand, we saw a very difficult match, maybe broken, hard to read in some moments. What's your opinion on the game?
I just think we struggled to adapt a little bit. We struggled to adapt to, I think, the conditions in the first half. I think with the strong wind and the rain that came in, yeah, we didn't quite adapt to those conditions around how we played and our decision making in those conditions. So something to learn from that, from a game management point of view. I don't think we adapted very well to perhaps the opposition's tactics and how they approached the game, and they certainly went for certainly tried to spoil and play at a style that sort of tried to upset us in some ways. So I don't think we adapted that well in that space. And I think some of the refereeing decisions, I think we struggled to adapt in his interpretations of things. So there's 3 parts I think that we can do better around that space.
In the last maybe 20 minutes, I guess, the team really came out well, maybe put things together maybe at last.
Yeah, look, I think we showed at times that we were building pressure and had opportunities, but just didn't quite nail some of the basics in our game in that first sort of period of the game. But yeah, we certainly put more longer periods of play together, and the time we spent down there with the pressure, I think, the percentages are we are going to score at some point. So I think we did that well. I thought a couple of boys made a good impact coming off the bench, made a bit of a difference there around the speed of the game. So so pretty happy with how we finished the game.